Ramesh, Opus has always been committed to giving back and you've encouraged employee volunteering. Could you share some of the CSR initiatives that we are proud of?
I think one of the biggest problems today in India is really the jobs, right? Topmost priority for our CSR initiative was how can we create more jobs? And the first thing we did really is we said whatever wealth we've created, almost 50% of that we are going to reinvest in companies which can create jobs, right? That's the best way of creating jobs. So almost 50% of our wealth is reinvested into these 12 investment companies that we talk about, right? I think there are jobs available in the cities, but if you go to the rural areas, I think people get educated, they don't have jobs, and this creates a lot more social unrest. So what we are doing there is essentially, in a very, very small way, we've created a center where 1,000 people, BPO, so we created the whole infrastructure, etc., and then invited companies. And I'm very happy that one of the companies, as you know, engaged almost 700 employees there, and they're giving them jobs, right? So that's our small way of, creating jobs in rural areas. The farmers and the environment. So what we've tied up with a company called Farmers for Forest, right? And what they do is essentially plant trees on the barren lands of the farmers and pay farmers to take care of those trees, right? So I'm very happy that the company which started with Opus really has done plantation on 3,000 acres till today, and that's a huge number of trees planted on the barren lands, and farmers also get income. So that's the second initiative we do. Third, of course, is education. As you know, we've been giving scholarships to more than 150 students every year, but it's just not enough to give scholarships. I think we've engaged a company called Sarthak, right? So all they do is basically mentor them in various skills. So whether it's spoken English, whether it is career counseling, whether it is computer training. So 50% we give in terms of scholarships, other 50% in terms of imparting skills for them which are going to be useful in later life. So those are the three initiatives we've taken in the CSR.